This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll discuss sequential data files in file handling topic in GW basic programming language. So let's start. In the sequential data files, as the name suggests, complete data is stored as a continuous sequence of characters with some information in between the data items to differentiate one data from another. These individual data items may be different records or single entities and may comprise of numeric or strings or both. In sequential data files, data is stored one after the other in the order of their entry and are read back in the same order. If you store 10 different data and if you want to read 7th data, then you will have to pass through first to 6th to reach 7th. There is no way to directly go to 7th data. This method of accessed the records is called sequential access method. This limits the speed of reading a sequential file when the user needs data from different location of a file. Sequential file access is very slow. When the user does not require data from different locations but require the data in the sequential order of the entry then storing data as sequential file saves a lot of storage space compared to a random file. The storage space is saved in sequential access because the GW basic language saves sequential data file as a continuous data in the storage device, whereas in a random file data is saved as fixed length records. So viewers, this is the sequential data files. We have discussed that the sequential access method is required when the data is stored in the sequential order, but if the user does not require data from different locations, it is more effective. But when a user want to store data on different locations, then random file access method will be used. On contrary, now we will discuss creating a sequential file, how it is created. So let's see. Creating a file is equivalent to writing some information into a register the steps you follow or the process and their order are almost the same for writing into a register and for creating a sequential file, as it is shown below. Open the register think about what you want to write or get the information that is to be written. Write the information into the register. If writing is over, then close the register. These same 4 steps are followed when creating a file or writing some information into a computer data file. The only difference is in place of register, you will use a data file. The steps for creating a data file are as follows. Number 1, opening a file. Number 2, get data from the user. Number 3, write into the file. And in the end, if writing is over, then close the file. So here, this is how a sequential file is created. These are the steps: opening a register, then think about what to write, and then write the information. Then once the writing is over, then close the register. Creating or writing some information to computer file seems like you're writing something into your common register, which is used in a normal daily life routine. So the steps for creating a data file are as well as opening a file and get data from the user. The user need to enter the data, and once the data is written into the file, then the writing is over, then the file will be closed. So viewers, we discussed today sequential data files and how to create a sequential data file. In our next video, we will discuss how to open a sequential data file. That's all. Thanks for watching.